Hello students of class 5th. Your chapter 7 exercise 5. In this exercise we have to find out the LCM. Question number 1. Find the LCM of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. In this question we have to follow the method that is prime factorization. Means first of all we will find the prime factors of all the numbers, then we'll find out the LCM. Question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by the common division method. So in this question we will follow the common division method. In both the questions we have to find out the LCM. One part I will give you, that is question number 1 part H will be given. Question number 2 part H will be given. Remaining parts you will solve by yourself in your notebook. So let's start question number 1 part H. That is 12, 18, 24 and 36. The method is prime factorization. We can find out the prime factors of the number by two methods, that is factor tree method and division method. So division method we will follow. Find out the prime factors one by one of all the numbers, that is 12. Find out the prime factors of 12, 18, prime factors of 18, 24. One by one we will find the prime factors of all the numbers, that is 36. That is even number divisible by 2 6 times, divisible by 2 again 3 times, divide by 3, 3 1 ja 3. That is 18 will be divided by 2, 9 2 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. 24 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. That is 36. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. These are the prime factors. In this, that is 2 into 2 into 3. In this 2 into 3 into 3. In this, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In this, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, so to find out the LCM, in order, if we had to find out the HCF, then simply we will find out the common factors, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Only 2 is common there in all the factors, and 3 is common there in all the factors. 2 and 3 all the is the common. 6 will be HCF, but we have to find out the LCM. So first of all, to find out the LCM, observe the prime factors carefully. First of all we will observe 2, then 3, then only 2 and 3 are there. So 2 occurs how many times? In this 2 occurs 2 times, 1 time, 3 times and 2 times. 2 occurs 2 times. It means HCF equal to 2 occurs maximum 2 times. 2 into 2. And then observe 3. 3 occurs maximum. This is 2 times, 1 time and 2 times. Means 2 times. 3 into 3. So we have to observe the factors that occurs maximum times. 2 occurs 2 times maximum. Not 2, 3 times, sorry. 2 occurs maximum 3 times and 3 occurs maximum 2 times. So this will be the HCF. Multiply all these factors. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 and 24 3 ja 72. 72 is the answer. HCF of these number. Check 72. 12 6 ja 72, 18 4 ja 72, 24 3 ja 72, 36 2 ja 72. means to find the HCF by prime factorization method. We will find out the prime factors of all the numbers, then find out observe the factors, prime factors that occurs maximum time 2, maximum 3 times, and 3 maximum 2 times. This will be the HCF. Now question number 2, part H, 175, 168 and 350. In this question we have to follow the common division method. So commonly we will divide these numbers 175, 168 and 350. We have to find the HCF, sorry, LCM. That is really sorry, that is LCM, not HCF. That is LCM. That is LCM also. 175, 168 and 350. In order to find out the LCM, first of all we divide by 2. If any one factor is divided by 2, then we will follow the prime factors in ascending order. First of all divide by 2. This will not be cancelled by 2, remain as it is. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8. This is 2 1 is 2, 1 is remainder there, so 15, 2 7 is 14, 1 is remainder, 2 5 is 15. Now this can be divided by 2, so again divide by 2. 175 will not divide. 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 175 will as it is. Again 42 will be divided by 2, 175 will remain as it is. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, now 175. Now in this question 175, 21 and 175, all these three numbers will not divide by 2, so now we will divide by 3. Check this number is divisible by 3 or not. 7 and 5 1 8, 8 5 13, not divide. 175 will remain as it is. This is divisible by 3, 3 7 is 21, 175 will remain as it is. Now divide by 5, 5 3 is 15, 2 is remainder, 5 5 is 35, 7 as it is, and this is 35 also. Now divide by 5 again. 5 7 is 35, 7 as it is, 5 7 is 35. Now divide by 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7. So now factors are, its prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. This is the LCM. Now to find out the LCM, simply multiply these prime factors one by one. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 5 is 120, 125 is 600, and 607 is 400. 42 means 4200. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 5 is 120, 125 is 600, 607 is 4200. This is the LCM of this question. Simply common divide. We have to divide all the numbers commonly. First of all divide by smallest prime number, then greater than greater than greater. Question number 3. Question number 4. Remaining question you will solve 3, 5 and 6. These questions you will solve simply HCF or LCM. You have to find in these questions. LCM will be there. Question number 4. 3 bells in the church toll at the interval of 15, 18 and 45 seconds respectively. After how many seconds will 3 bells toll together? Means in how many seconds these 3 bells will toll together. Means if in one this bell rings in 15 second one time, 18 second one time and 45 second one time. In how many seconds? these three will solve together. Simply we have to find out the LCM. So to find out the LCM, you can follow any one method. Similarly, in 7th question, find the smallest number which when divided by 24, 36 and 54 gives a remainder 5 in each case. Required, the hint is given there, means first of all we will find the LCM of these numbers, then simply add by 5, because 5 remainder we want in each case. One by one start these questions. That is question number 4. The numbers are 15, 18 and 45. Find out the LCM. Mostly to find the LCM, you will follow the common division method. If method is not given there in the question, you will follow the common division method. First of all, divide by 2. 15 will not divide. 18 will be divided by 2 9 times. 45 remain as it is. Now divide by 3. 3 5 ja 15. 3 3 ja 9. And 15 3 ja 45. Again divide by 3. 5 remain as it is. 3 1 ja 3. And 3 5 ja 15. Divide by 5 now. 5 1 ja 5. 1 as it is. 5 1 ja 5. So LCM is there. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3 ja 6. 6 3 ja 18. 18 5 ja 90. It means all the three wells told together in 90 seconds. So answer is 90 seconds. Means bells will toll together at 90 seconds. This will be the answer there. Similarly, in question number 7, in this question numbers are given there 24, 36 and 54. First of all, find out the LCM 24, 36 and 54. Divide by 2. 12 by 2 ja 24. 18 2 ja 36 and 27 2 ja 54, means 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14. Divide by 2 again. 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2. So 27 will not divide by 2. This is 6. This can be divided by 2 also. 2 3 ja 6. 9 as it is. 27 as it is. Now there is not any one number. Divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 9 ja 27. Now divide by 3 again. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. 24 3 ja 72 and 72 3 ja multiply in your rough work. This is 72 3 ja 2 3 ja 6 and 3 7 ja 21. 216. Let's check again. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24 and 24 3 ja 72. 72 3 ja 216. So this will be the LCM. So LCM is 216. Now in the question, if we divide 216 by these numbers, in each case 5 should be the remainder. To get 5 remainder, simply we have to multiply 5 in the LCM. So now 216 plus 5 equal to 221. This is the answer. When we will divide 221 by these numbers, in each case 5 will be the remainder there. This is the complete solution of exercise 5th. Remaining question you will solve by yourself. If you have any type of doubt, write at the WhatsApp group. Doubt will be cleared soon. Thank you.